Hey everybody, welcome to our vlog channel. Say hi, babe.
Hi.
I'm Ariel.
I'm Max.
And we are going to be filming some videos for you guys about our travels. Where are we off to today?
You're going to see some flowers and some dirt.
No, we are going to Holland, Holland Ridge Farms. It's based off of the tulip farms in Holland. And they it's the last day of their tulip festival, so we are going there. Currently, we are on this really long road that I hate. That's just nothing but lights. So, we'll update you guys later. Bye. Are you gonna say bye?
Bye.
So, we are currently, how far? 14 minutes, and the place is literally, let's see, hold on. Can I switch this around?
I think you gotta hit the button.
What button?
There should be a flip button.
So we were supposed to be there in 2 minutes, and then we got here, and you see all those cars. Whoop! All those cars over there, trying to get in, and then we're like in traffic here, and we're supposed to be there in 15 minutes. So I guess we'll see. It's 2:28 now.
Day 43, we're still in this line. I see no end in hope, and I see no hope in sight. We're running down to the last French fry. Whoever finds us, just know we're still waiting in line.
Okay, so it's been 20 minutes. It's now 2:47, and the GPS says we'll be there in 5 minutes. No, because last time I checked it was 2:28. So we're still waiting. And there's all these cars. They're still over there. They're getting there. And then we're trying to get that way. And then they merge to go into there. And the farm's back there somewhere. So yeah, so we're trying to get there. Do you think we're going to get there? He wants to turn around and go somewhere else. I don't know where else we would go. I don't want to go anywhere else. I wanted to go here today. So we'll see what happens. Where do you think we should go if we can't go here?
Let's go to the shore.
No, I don't want to go to the shore. Everybody's going to get the shore. We'll see. Bye. So we made it almost. We didn't realize there was this whole other line of people trying to get in. So there were 3 at once. He's really pissed off, but I promised him that I wouldn't complain about how many people there are.
She's gonna complain.
I'm not gonna complain.
She's gonna complain.
I'm not. I'm gonna be a good sport because you're a good boyfriend. Yes, I am. Yes, you are. So we'll update you when we get there. We'll sit here for another 5 minutes. So now we're doing an off-roading adventure. They're having us go through the cornfields to get to the parking lot, I guess, because there's just so many people. So this is the cornfield we're trying to get to over here. All the parking's over there, and then the tulip field's all the way over. So, aren't you glad you got your Jeep now?
Yep.
Instead of your little soupy?
This is not sponsored. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. But thank you, Jeep.
So we made it. Are you so excited? Well, we still have to walk. It's all the way over there. We have to go. So we'll see. So pretty. Was it worth sitting in a half-hour traffic? Just waiting to get in?
Totally.
Oh my god, my bangs. I hate my forehead. Oh. Well, we're gonna go walk around, take some pictures, pick some flowers. I think they're $1 a stem. So there's like thousands of them. So we'll check back later. Alright, so we went through all the fields to get some flowers. We're gonna pick some more, but we're gonna go to the shops and to go see what else they have. They have some animals, which we love, so that's why I'm mainly here. So I'm gonna film some more with the animals. Okay, so we made it back to the car. My hair looks like a hot mess. It was so windy. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Did you actually enjoy it? Are you telling the truth?
I enjoyed it.
It was nice.
Tons of different flowers. Got to see the animals.
We got some flowers. I got a little, whatever it's called, what is it called? Oh, a clog. They had like ones from different sizes and stuff, but I just wanted a little one. It was like $1. All the flowers were $1 a stem, so I think I got 6 flowers, so altogether I spent like $7.50. And yeah, so now where are we going?
Probably gonna call it a day.
I think so. I'm tired. Are you?
I'm sick of people.
I thought that was something I was allowed to say today.
I never said anything about me saying it.
True. Alright, well, we got, how long till we get home?
Probably about an
An
hour.
hour and a half, so I think that's all we're going to do today. We're going to go make some dinner, relax, and watch a movie or something. So, peace out! Wow.